Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Coffee with Codes. I am Tejashwini Singh to take you to the 4th class of Quantitative Aptitude. I am a working professional in one of the leading MNC with vision to guide and help people to reach their pinnacles by working continuously in the improvement and innovating the teaching methodology. This is the 4th class in the series of the Quantitative Aptitude. If you have not watched our 3 videos, then go to our playlist in our channel and do watch all the 3 classes video, because this series we have made to help you guys to crack your Quantitative Aptitude examination with ease. So moving on to our class today, and that is on time and work. Time and work is a very important chapter in all the examination, whichever you can name, whether it's your government examination, whether it's your private examination. This is one of the chapter which comes nearly to all MNCs. For example, whether it's TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, Capgemini, and what not. So if you are preparing for campus placement or government examination or competitive examination like CAT, then you should watch this video till end. In this series, our motive is to clear your basic understanding on this quantitative aptitude chapter. We really love to hear from you. If you have any suggestion from your side, then do not forget to comment us. If you like our video, and do not forget to give us a thumbs up. So moving on to our first sum of time and work. A and B can complete a work in 10 and 12 days respectively. A and B start working together, and after 3 days, A left the work. Find in how many days work will be computed. Last word is not computed, guys, it's completed. So let us again read the question. A and B complete a work in 10 and 12 days. So easily here I'll write A and B. So A takes how many days? 10 days. And B takes 12 days. Let us take out the LCM of it. LCM of 10 and 12 will be 60. Now divide 60 by 10, we'll get 6 here. Divide 60 by 12, we'll get 5. This is the work that A does in 1 day. This is the work that B does in 1 day. And this is the total work that they both will do in 10 and 12 days respectively. Okay. This is a very important technique, I should say. You should always take out the LCM in this way, so that the later part of the question will be a piece of cake for you. So now reading to the next part, A and B start working together, and after 3 days A left the work. So here means for 3 days both of them work. So A and B worked for 3 days. So what will be the 3 days ka work? 6 plus 5. So in 1 day total they both can work is 11. Okay. So 3 days 11 into 3, that is equal to 33. And we know the total work is 60. After 3 days A left. So for B, how much work is remaining? That is 60 minus 33. This is your remaining work. This is your remaining work, okay? So here you get 27. Who will do this remaining work? B will do. So equal to 27. 1 day ka work is 5. So it is 27 by 5 days. Now what my question demand is, how many days work will be completed? Again I want to mention here, it won't be computed, it will be completed. So how many days? So here it will be total days equal to, both of them work for 3 days, so 3 plus remaining work was done by B in how many days? 27 by 5 days. Exactly, here we'll write 27 by 5. Now you do 15 plus 27 by 5, and it will come to 8 2 by 5. 8 2 by 5 days. So I hope you have understand this problem. This is the most basic problem that you will have in time and work. Of course, in many examination, this kind of problem comes, especially in your campus placement examination. But at the same time, if you go to some government examination, this is a very basic level. This question won't come. We'll move on with more difficult question. But let me tell you, if you guys are getting any problem in understanding, do not forget to mention the comment. We'll try to explain there as much as possible. If you are liking our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up. So moving on to the question number 2. Now save your money from buying the professional courses for free of cost. Videos on latest market demanding domains and preparation like Python, Cloud, GRE, IELTS and whatnot in 100% free of cost from world best professional trainers in a single FB page. So check out Mr. Free's free video page in FB today. Start learning to be smart and fearless. Two candles of same height can burn completely in 4 hours and 6 hours respectively. If both start burning at same time at their respective constant speed, then find after how much time ratio of their height becomes 2:3. So this is a problem where the two candles burning time is given and the speed. They are telling that if both start burning at same time at a constant speed, then after how much time the ratio will become 2:3. So what should be your approach? First, let us take that there are two candles for A and B. What is the speed? What is the time to burn completely? That is 4 hours. 4 hours. And this will burn in 6 hours. You should note that constant speed is mentioned. First, let us take out the LCM. The LCM of both will be 12. And this will be the length of the candle. Now, as to note that both will burn in a constant speed, 12 by 4 is 3, 12 by 6 is 2. So for each hour, it will burn at a speed of 3 meter per hour. And candle B will burn at a speed of 2 meter per hour. Now what the ratio demands it, then find after how much time ratio of their height becomes 2:3. So what is the total length? 12 minus what is the speed here? 3 into T. Let T be the time take to give this ratio. So 12 minus 3T by 12 minus 2T, which should be equal to 2 by 3. Now it's a very easy. You just have to solve this equation. 12 3s are 36 minus 3 3s are 90 equal to 24 minus 40. Either take this 9 over there or 4. So we'll take it as 5T equal to 12. So the value of T equal to 12 by 5. That comes to 2 by 5. 2/5 is, this means here 2 hours, and 2/5 in 60 if you do, it will be 24 minutes. I hope you have understood the problem. Do not get confused when the SI units or units are given for a particular example. Especially like here, you can say this candle example is a very common example which mostly come in many of the examination, whether it's your private company or government. So try practicing with whichever sum I'm doing. Try practicing the same sum in copy and paper. It will be beneficial for you, because learn by seeing 10 example, you won't be able to master in quants. You have to practice more. To practice what your approach should be, you should learn with me and then Start exploring the chapter, start solving the chapter with pen and paper. Moving on to the third question. The question number 3 says, A plus B can do a work in 12 days, while B plus C in 6 to 3rd day. Work is completed by A, B, C by working 3, 4 and 7 days. Find in how many days A alone would complete the whole work. Let us divide the sum in segments. A plus B will work in A plus B can do a work in 12 days. Similarly, B plus C can do it in 6 2 by 3. Let us deduce it. So it comes as 20 by 3 in 12 days and 20 by 3 days. Now the LCM comes as 60. Similarly, 60 divided by 12 is 5. And here if we divide, we get as 9. Now you must be wondering, previously we were doing with single entity like A, B or C. But here we have taken it as a group. But because the sum is given as in a group, so first we have to take out the values in group only. So now here what it has given, let us take A, B and C. We'll complete a work in 3 days, A 3 days, B 4 days and C is 7 days. So A took 3 days, B took 4 days and C took 7 days. Now in our question it was given A plus B. So here if we write A plus B, 3 days work will be how much? It will be equal to 5 into 3. 5 we are getting from here. So equal to 15. Now B and C's 1 day is, B and C work for 1 day if we consider, then it will be 9 into 1 and that we get 9. Now remaining days C worked alone, that is 6 days. The total work was 60. How much is it done? 15 plus 9, that comes to 24. So the remaining work is 60 minus 24, that is equal to 36. And that work is done by C. So C's work is 6. This is the efficiency of C we get. Efficiency of C. Putting the values here, B plus C equal to 9. We know the value of C. We can easily find out the value of B, that is 3. By knowing the value of B, we can easily find out the value of A, that is 2. So A alone can do a work equal to 60 by 2, that comes to 30 days. So A will take 30 days to complete the entire work alone. So this was question number 3, guys. If you have any problem, then do let us know in the comment sections below. Moving on to the next sum. A, B, C can complete a work in 30 days by working together. A and C are twice efficient than B, and A and B are twice efficient than C. Find in how many days A alone can complete the work. This is similar to question number 3, but with a little more twist. This sum is a little complicated sum. To understand this sum, please listen to me carefully. First, what it has given, that ABC can complete a work in 30 days. Perfect. A plus C are twice efficient than B. So let us write here A plus C is twice efficient than B. So A plus C by B will be equal to 2 by 1, as it is an A plus C is twice of B. Right, I can write this in this form. Now again, similarly, A plus B are thrice efficient than C. So this ratio I can write as 3/1. One thing to note in these two ratios, if you see ACB, ABC, so A plus B plus C efficiency will be same. So here we can get 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. If you take out the LCM, it will give 12. If you divide 12 by 3, you get here 4, and here you will get 3. So here we get 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 1 is 4. So now here you get multiply 3 into 3, that is 9, and multiply 3 into 1 is 3. So the value of B we get is 4. Now let us write it like this: A, B, C. So B is 4. From here we get C is 3. If you put the value of B and C in any one of it, you will get the value of A as 5. So now the value of A is 5, B is 4 and C is 3. Now what my question demands is find in how many days A alone complete the work. Total work is equal to 12 into 30. As the number of days was 30, so it becomes 360 units. But we have to find A alone's work. So A alone equal to 360 by 5. It comes to 72 days. So this is the answer, that A alone will take 72 days to complete the work. I hope you are understanding this problem. Try to solve it yourself in pen and paper. Try to follow up with us. If you have any query, please do not forget to comment us. So moving on to the next and the last question for this video, question number 5. The question number 5 is, A takes as much time as B plus C takes to finish a job. A plus B finish the job in 10 days. C can alone do the same job in 15 days. In how many days B alone can do the work? In this question, it is say A takes as much as time as B plus C. So let us take A and B plus C here. So A takes as much as time as B plus C takes to time a job. So if you find a ratio over here, so it will be 1:1 ratio. Time will be 1:1 ratio. Efficiency will also be into 1:1 ratio. Now, it is also given A plus B finish the job in 10 days. C alone can do the same job in 15 days. So let us write it here again. A plus B will do the job in 10 days. What C can do in 15 days. Let us take out the LCM. It will give us 30. So A plus B will come 3. It will come as 2. So the efficiency of A plus B plus C here is 3 plus 2. That is equal to 5. As efficiency of A plus B total is 3 and C's alone is 2. So if you add up, it will give you 5. Here we have seen that both were equal. That means they were dividing each other into 1:1 ratio. So here if you divide this equally, so how we will get? It becomes 2.5 is to 2.5. So A is 2.5, C is 2. So what will be the value of, I can write BC, B will be half, whereas C is 2. So what I have to find out is how many days alone B can do the work. So efficiency of B is half. That means B alone will take, the total is 30. So 30 divided by half equal to 60 days. So that means C will take 60 days. I hope you are understanding the concept. This is the first part of the chapter time and work. There will be another part of this chapter coming soon to you. You practice this chapter in pen and papers and wait for the second parts. If you have any doubt and queries regarding this video, please do comment us, or if you have any suggestion or if you want any particular chapter us to make at first, so you can comment the same to us. With this, thank you so much for watching this video. Guys, we have brought another initiative for you to learn new domains of technology, and all the videos will be free. You just have to follow our FB page, Mr. Freeze Free Video. The link will be in the description. So do not forget to follow Mr. Freeze Free Video. There are so many courses of Python, Cloud, Python, GRE, IELTS. We are trying to upload every day the courses for you. It will be very beneficial. Do not forget to like that page. Now save your money from buying the professional courses for free of cost. Videos on latest market demanding domains and preparation like Python, Cloud, GRE, IELTS and whatnot in 100% free of cost from world best professional trainers in a single FB page. So check out Mr. Freeze Free Video page in FB today. Start learning to be smart and fearless. Do like and subscribe Coffee with Coach. If you are not in our WhatsApp group, then do fill up the form in the description. We would love to hear from you. We would love to solve your queries. And one more thing, if you want us to give you a guidance of your career, if you want to make your career fly with you, then do not forget to WhatsApp us personally. All the numbers, everything will be in the description. Do check us. Thank you so much. All the very best for your examination.